Dalles, and we're crossing the mighty Columbia into Washington. So we're at the Dalles Mountain Ranch, the Dalles Mountain Ranch, which is part of Columbia Hills State Park. And our goal today was to hike the Columbia Hills Loop Trail, but it was so foggy that we just didn't feel like doing that. So we drove up to the ranch, which is a couple thousand feet higher than the trail, and we broke out of the fog. And here we are. It's a beautiful place now. This ranch goes back to something like 1877, and there's kind of a rich history to it. So we're gonna just walk around here a bit, and then there's a trail up above that we're gonna get to a little bit later today. Tune in later. We'll see you soon. So now we're going to go up above and do another hike to the top of these hills that I'm panning over to right now. Okay, well, we just visited the Dalles Mountain Ranch, and now we're back at the trailhead of the Columbia Hills Vista Loop Trail. It's a 6.6 mile trail, and it's snowbound, but the fog is lifting, so we're gonna hike as far as we can, and we'll see what happens. While we're hiking uphill in the snow, there's some snowshoe footprints on the trail that is really helping us out. Unfortunately, the fog looks like it's settling back in. I thought once it started to dissipate, it just kind of goes away, but not this time. Here's the seal emerging from the fog. This is not quite the hike that we envisioned, but it is really something. It's actually special, and it feels great. There's nobody else out here, of course, and just beautiful with the snow. We don't get a lot of snow on the ground and at sea level around Eugene, but up here in the hills and across from the Dalles, yeah, plenty of snow. It looks like it's about 8 inches deep and getting deeper the higher we go. Talk to you later. Hey. What fun, huh? So we've hiked about 2 miles onto this trail, and we got a beautiful lookout point here. That's the Columbia River underneath all that fog. Luckily, we're able to hike above it and enjoy the really warm sunshine and beautiful views. We started out the day not realizing that we're going to have a fog bank at our trailhead, plus the snow. We expected some snow, but it's deeper than we thought. And anyway, we got delayed, so we were not able to do the entire 6.6 mile trail, but we did hike in a couple of miles. And here we are. It was quite an effort because of the snow. Our feet got wet. Mine got even wetter trying to cross the creek. But we're here and it's beautiful, and we're overlooking the Columbia River, which you can't even see because the fog bank is hovering over it. Anyway, we feel very fortunate to have the sun right here, and this beautiful view, and not another soul around. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.